Ilanka is this amazing person from Chile who owns and operates the Austin School of Fashion Design. And she's doing an amazing job here in Austin, teaching young kids how to sew, how to draw, how to draft patterns, something quite unusual. And these kids have a wonderful time doing all of this. And most importantly, she puts on an amazing fashion show afterwards. So, Ilanka, tell us a little bit more about yourself.
Well, Ron, thank you for such a kind introduction.
That's good, it's true.
It's true. We're very excited because our program of the Academy for Young Designers started around 3 years ago, and it has been growing and becoming something very important, we believe, for our community. And we're super excited. Actually, we're going to have a great show October 25th at the Domain.
Right, I
Fashion
saw that.
for Good.
I saw
and
that.
It's going to be, I hope all of you are there.
Well, recently we have been talking to Ilanka about the possibility of getting some really good quality machines in here, because Ilanka made it clear to me that she believes that Bernina is really what
With
she wants
no
to associate
doubts.
with.
With no doubts.
So I'm here today on behalf of Bernina and so much more
Okay.
to tell you that Bernina and so much more
Yes.
will be bringing you 20 new Bernina 350s,
Okay.
2 brand new cover stitch machines,
Oh my God.
and 4 Bernina sergers.
Woohoo! Yay!
Okay. Oh, this is what I wanted more than anything else.
Awesome. This is
Okay,
exciting.
so that was
So it's
part of
happening.
it's happening.